you to see some of what has been happening in the flower arranging workshops of Cottage Garden Companion. In Unit 3, we make the transition from traditional arranging to the world of creative design by way of some introductory Oriental influences. Anne shows us that good design holds up but looks different depending upon the container. And then Terry introduces the igloo as a useful mechanic to add to our bag of tricks for creative design. Flower arranging is just plain fun, and we have the DVDs to prove it.
Okay, here you are. Something for your dining room table. It will come down. Okay. Thanks, ladies, I always forget something. One reason I bought extra containers. I wanted to show you that this particular arrangement, and I think I put it in, yes, I did. Usually I have it so that your body cups that you were given, that will fit down in there. And it would still be the same placement, the same design in a tall container. But you could just take this, put it down in there, and do the same design. You could do the design here and then just slip it in. There's another one. That one, obviously, it doesn't go all the way down, but look how different it looks just by putting it in a different container. And all I did was take one of these, cut it a little bit, stuck it down in so that I could just set the pin holder on top of it. And there's plenty of room to hold water, too. I also brought this. You see it in there, too. I'll simply put it in a different container. It looks completely different, and yet you've learned these three. One thing I don't think I told you was the three main stems always form a triangle. And that's very, as I said, it's a mathematical thing, and they worked it out beautifully.
A 9-inch saucer, and you all have an igloo. And if you notice, none of you have any water in your container yet. And the reason for that is that when you take your igloo, and this is extremely important when you're doing a pin holder as well, take your piece of cling, kind of roll it into a little bit of a ball. What I do is I take my cup and smash it out onto the bottom, so it's like spread out on. And then when you take it in your container, I don't want you to put it right in the middle. I want you to put it to the side. You're going to take and twist it, and that will not come out. If you try to even pull on that, that's not going to. Yes, it is. It shouldn't. It should be so solid. This gives you another mechanic for you to think about. And these have so many other potential uses. I mean, they are fabulous for all different things that you want to secure something small to an area, or even large. I've used, because these come in different sizes.
This is medium size.
Yeah, this is medium. There's a deco. It's only a little baby one that you can put on top of a package. It actually has a rubber or a seal on the back that you can just pull off a piece of paper and it'll stick to your package, so you could do little ones. And then there's the grande. And the grande is about this big and about that wide. And the nice thing about those is that I've used those for weddings very often to do poles or to something that you needed to secure something around. So it does work very nicely.
The full flower arranging DVD provides nearly 2 hours of great learning, just like what you've seen. Order your own copy now to learn how to beautify your living spaces and expand your own creative expression by going to www.cottagegardencompanion.com right now.